Hi guys, let's get it started. Let's not waste any time. But welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. Let's get it started. So firstly, we're gonna start by making a line. Then we're gonna use some water to just spray with the spray bottle. Then from there, we're gonna take a hairspray and spray it all out. I used which one did I use? Restore. And then from there, we're just gonna comb back just like that until your hair is nice and silky and smooth. You know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna pat it back. And we're gonna go with the Flex Gel, the same one we used in the other tutorial. And we are going to squeeze out a little and just, place it on top of our hair. And yeah, basically more to the back, to the side, to the other side. We're trying to really get that sleeked, and put more as you go, depending on how sleek you gotta go or you wanna go. However the sleek gotta be, sis. I don't know what to say, but yes, the sleek age. So we're gonna put some more sleek on the other side, and bam, that's what happens. Yes. So we're just gonna make sure that as you sleek, you take it to the back, kind of like a pushback, if I could say, and make sure that it's, thoroughly and neatly done, so that once you snatch it with your scrunchie, your ribbon, anything, it's good. Then we're gonna take a toothbrush or any brush really, and brush to the sides. I prefer the toothbrush because it's easier. I mean, you swoop the edges at the same time. You kind of really get the details out of it. So yeah, that's what I really try to do. Nice and smooth and so sleeked. I nearly said silky. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so we're gonna use the freeze gel as usual, and we're just gonna freeze things up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be putting some freeze gel, and we're gonna put one on the side, one on the other side, and bam, boom, boom. Yes, and we're gonna lay them edges, cause honey, they got to be laid to our God. Period. Okay, we have to lay them edges, cause then why you gotta sleep with no edges? Periodically speaking, it don't make sense. So we're just gonna swoop them edges and swoop them edges and swoop them edges. All right. And then we're gonna use my favorite cloth just to wrap it up, and we wait and voila.